Well, as I said earlier, I decided to roll my 500 Triumph out with this 500 Triumph. The white one is a 69, the red one is a 1968. They are both really nice examples of bobbers, 500cc Triumph bobbers. Both follow the philosophy of simple is better. Nothing really wild and crazy about either one of them. Both with a very low look. And the white bike has a hardtail, which gives it a lower seat. The red bike is pretty much stock geometry. I just finished a test ride on the white bike. It went just very well. The open pipes make it a very, I have to think of a word to describe it. It's sharp. It's a bit harsh. The stock pipes on the red bike make it a little bit smoother, more mellow. But on the other hand, the white bike, when you open the throttle, man, it pulls like a truck. So had a lot of fun on that. This is just too cool. Two very similar bikes, year, make, model, in two directions. And isn't that kind of neat? I just think they are just so much fun side by side. You know, you pays your dime, you takes your choices. Isn't that cool? Anyway, just an opportunity to have two pretty bikes side by side.